Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can freehand draw in Google Docs. So this can be useful maybe if you like to add a signatures, you can actually draw it. And let's start. So the first step is you want to open your document, click on Insert, Drawing and New One. So if you want to do freehand draw, you have to select this arrow next to this line and there's this scribble option. So you can basically like write everything. I'm gonna try to type check mark. Okay, now you want to wait a second and you want to unpress your mouse and you have this freehand drawing. You can customize the thickness if you want of the line. So you can make this thicker, you can change of course the color, you can change the style. And if you are ready, you can click on save and close and it's going to get added to your document. So you can resize it also. Now, if you want to move this freely on your document, let's say you have some text, you can choose one of those options. You can do wrap text, you can do break text, you can put this behind the text or in front of the text. And if you don't want to move with the text, you can select fixed position on page. So it's going to be like fixed. And you can also move this anywhere you want. And that's basically it. So this is how you can freehand draw in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.